Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If typing on your iPhone feels awkward or uncomfortable, you're not alone. So, in this video, I'm basically going to show you a few simple ways to make typing easier and more comfortable to use. Again, nothing you do here is going to break your phone, and you can change everything back at any time you like. So section 1, how to make the keyboard larger, which is the display zoom. One simple way to make typing easier is to make the keyboard a little bit bigger. So you're basically going to open the settings, tap display and brightness, then you're going to tap the display zoom and you're going to choose larger text and then tap set. If it feels too big, you can always switch it back afterwards. Section 2 is the one-handed keyboard. If you often type with one hand, this can really help. So you're going to open the keyboard in any app, then you're going to press and hold the small keyboard icon at the bottom. You're going to choose the left or right one-handed option. To go back to normal, you're just going to press the arrow. Section 3, the predictive text. So basically your iPhone tries to suggest words as you type. You don't have to use these words that it's suggesting to you. They're just there to save you time if you want to. Again, the phone is basically learning from how you're typing. It's not judging or correcting you. You don't need to use all of these tips. Even one small change can make typing feel much more easy. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.